Good morning, everyone. I'm meteorologist Riley King, and welcome to Blizzard 2016 Aftermath. Let's get started. Here's a look on radar. As you see, the snow is gone. And here's a look at the snow totals for Baltimore, New York, Philadelphia, and Washington. Baltimore got 29.2 inches, New York got 25.1 inch, Philadelphia got 22.3 inches, and Washington got 22.2 inches. And all the cities are cleaning up after the blizzard now. And here's a look at the flight status by the airports in the United States that got affected by the blizzard. And that does it for Blizzard of 2016 Aftermath. Goodbye, everyone.